And we back with another one. What's up, my fabulous people? So today I'm just recording a couple of my wigs that I have in my short lengths. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Let's get into this. So y'all don't mind my cap and all that. You know, your girl had rough days too. Don't mind me. But anywho, be sure to hit me up on Instagram if you are interested in any of the wigs that you see posted. I also post different types of wigs on my Instagram. So y'all follow me there too. You know, stay in tune. You know, follow your girl. And mind you, all of them isn't to their actual length, just simply because I don't put any products on my wigs. Just give the customers chance to style it how they want to, and it's not over too much product holding the hair down. Y'all, I forgot to mention, but I have a couple of wigs and stuff that I want to offer off. They're gonna be like $10, $15, no more. So y'all stay tuned. I know y'all aunties, your grandma, all that, I know they probably need them a nice little wig to throw on and just go, you know, all purpose one. Yeah, one of them. Like, follow my Instagram, because I will be posting those all this week, all February. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do it all month. All February, I'm going to post them. So y'all be sure. I will ship them. Y'all can come pick them up. All that. I'm going to leave it down in the description so y'all don't forget. So right now, we just everywhere. This is what it look like when you're trying to run your own business and record and all that. You know, one of these days, I'm going to hire me an assistant. But until then, we got work to do. Let's do it. Do y'all think I should start styling the wigs and then posting them to sell them? Or do y'all like how I do it? Just, you know, sell them as is. If you haven't already smashed that button, go ahead and do that. Like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, y'all know we love doing this. Let's do it. Peace. Blessings. Be the love you never received.